Okay, we're back at A&J Hobbies. People wanted to know what planes there was. That's those ones. Then we come over here and look at these. F-18. I can't read that one. Need my glasses. 35s, 16s, Cessna. Look at all these old things. Old Corsair, Mustang. Look at all this. Oh, and a kid over this way that a lot of people may be interested in. Look at that. See if we can zoom in on it. Look at that. Okay, find these people on Facebook. Message them directly and see anything you want out of this up here. I'm sure they'll get it for you. And they do ship worldwide. I'm kicking the ladder, sorry. I'm just above my head here, can't see what I'm doing. All the gliders. Look at them all. Old GWS stuff. Look at that. People wanted more views of what they got. Just incredible. Mustangs. Some old free wing stuff. Some more gliders. Wow, big gliders. Some really neat stuff. They just got everything here. Then up there. Haven't been up there yet. We're gonna make it up there one day. And new stuff, but we don't care about new stuff right now. Thanks for watching.